Did you know your skin is secretly packed with a landscape of tiny sensors, each tuned to a different kind of touch? From the softest breeze to the ground rumbling beneath your feet, your skin is decoding it all. And one man, David Ginty, has spent his life unraveling the mystery behind it. Welcome back to the channel where science meets wonder. Today we're diving into the hidden world of your most underrated superpower, touch. Deep under your skin lives an entire ecosystem of sensory neurons. Think of them like quirky characters, each with a unique job. One looks like a thick tree root with 15,000 finger-like branches. That's a Pacinian corpuscle, and it can sense earthquake-level vibrations. So next time you feel your phone buzz, thank these microscopic rumble detectors. And leading the charge in understanding them? Dr. David Ginty, head of neurobiology at Harvard Medical School. His office walls? Covered not with family photos, but portraits of neurons. Why? Because in his words, each one tells a story. Touch isn't just one sense, it's a symphony. Vision comes from the eyes, hearing from the ears. But touch? It comes from everywhere. And it's not just pokes and prods. It's pressure, vibration, temperature, even the spicy burn of chili peppers and the cooling tingle of mint. Every sensation is delivered through a dense jungle of neurons stretching from the spinal cord to every inch of your skin. Back in the 1800s, scientists first spotted strange structures in the skin. Flat discs, coils, onion-like bulbs. These were the first clues, anatomical blueprints for touch sensors. By the 20th century, researchers had figured out how to listen in on individual neurons using tiny electrodes. They could actually hear how your body reacts to touch, but it was still chaos. Neurons were tangled webs, impossible to tell apart. Enter David Ginty. In 1995, Ginty launched his lab and began cracking the code. Over the next decade, he built a genetic toolkit, creating fluorescently tagged mouse neurons. These weren't ordinary mice. They were glowing blueprints for how we feel. Imagine turning on a single kind of neuron like flipping a switch. That's what Ginty did, over and over, creating dozens of mouse lines. Researchers everywhere now use these tools to explore the landscape of touch like never before. Your arms, legs, and back are covered in tiny hairs, and each one is wired with a sensor. Ginty's team discovered lanceolate endings, comb-shaped nerve tips that crown hair follicles. Different hairs are connected to different types of neurons. Some react to gentle caresses, others to quick movements. One type even triggers that weird shake dogs do when they're wet. Turns out our body hair is way more than just leftover evolution. It's a touch-sensitive network. From vibrating Pacinian sensors deep in the skin, to delicate Merkel cells in your fingertips that sense texture, to crown-shaped endings that detect the direction your hair is brushed. Ginty's research shows how every neuron is part of a complex map, like musical instruments in a symphony, each playing their role in the masterpiece of human sensation. So next time you feel a hug, the breeze, or the prick of a needle, remember, your skin is doing so much more than you think. Thanks to scientists like David Ginty, we're uncovering the invisible world beneath our skin and rewriting what it means to truly feel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries about the human body. Stay curious, stay inspired. LG News.